This is a tutorial. This is a tutorial for the Cardini control. An example will be right up now as to what it looks like, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. Now, do a face up. 3 of clubs, on top is a 5 of diamonds. You can see they transpose. Now 3 is on top, if you take it, now the 5, now the 3, you get the idea. Now, what this control is the Cardini control, I think it's called. Basically it works like this. Have a card selected, Cardini it out, and then dribble the rest on top. That's a short example for people who know how to do the Cardini, but basically what's going on, taking a card, King of Spades, and you want to control it to the top. What you're going to do is you're going to use your pinky to take that card out like this. So you can move it like, and basically you're going to use this hand to cover that. So you can't see I just did that, but I just did. Again, you can't see that, but I just did it one more time. Now when you go like this, that card is there, the deck goes right like this, right under that card, and you dribble the rest of the cards, and see that final card, you just drop it, and then you let the other one on top and slowly move to the side so that it's easier to do the move. Because if you don't do that, it looks a bit less, doesn't look as good. See? See how it just looks like it's moving in like this? It looks a bit weird, but you can, when it's face down, you can do it like this. You have a card selected, 2 parts. If you move it back and forth, it doesn't look like nothing happened, but in fact, you just control it. So, you can do a face up if you want to as a color change. You just say, okay, leave on top, and it changes. Again, you're just using your pinky to forward a card. It will be hard at first, definitely, because it's not something your fingers are used to, especially your pinky. If you can't do the pinky count, 1, 2, that's the pinky count, then this will also be like pretty hard. But if you can, then it will be pretty simple. Basically, again, one more time. Your pinky goes on that card that you selected, takes it out like that, and then the deck hand in the right hand comes over, covers that card like this. The card is right there, and dribbles the rest on top, and then you bring that other card forward, and you slide up and down like that, or side to side. In my opinion, it just makes the move a bit better, but again, card selected, and you can then do your color change if you want to. But yeah, basically again, card is selected, take it out like that with the pinky, and you dribble the rest on top, and then your right hand brings that card in like that, and the card is on top. If you have any questions, you can DM me or comment. I'll just respond to you. DM me on Instagram if you have specific, and if you want to send me a video about it, and I can respond directly like that too.